Welcome to a journey of flavor, health, and longevity. We will explore the wonders of the Mediterranean diet, a lifestyle celebrated for its delicious and nutritious approach to eating. Join us as we uncover the secrets behind this culinary tradition that has captivated hearts and palates for generations. Before we explore the benefits of the Mediterranean diet, be sure to hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell to stay updated on our latest content. The Mediterranean diet is not just a diet, it's a way of life. Originating from the countries surrounding the Mediterranean Sea, this eating pattern incorporates a wide variety of fresh, whole foods that provide numerous health benefits. Let's delve into the key elements that make this diet so special. First and foremost, the Mediterranean diet revolves around an abundance of fruits and vegetables. Vibrant and colorful, these plant-based foods are packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support overall well-being. They not only provide a plethora of nutrients, but also add a burst of flavor to every meal. The Mediterranean diet emphasizes whole grains such as whole wheat, brown rice, and oats. These complex carbohydrates are a great source of energy and are rich in fiber, aiding in digestion and promoting heart health. By choosing whole grains over refined grains, you're giving your body the nutrients it needs while enjoying a satisfying meal. Healthy fats play a crucial role in the Mediterranean diet, with extra virgin olive oil reigning supreme. This golden elixir is abundant in monounsaturated fats, which have been linked to a reduced risk of heart disease. Olive oil is not only a flavorful addition to salads and sautés, but also acts as a key component in many traditional Mediterranean recipes. Another essential feature of this diet is the consumption of lean proteins, particularly fish and poultry. Fish, such as salmon, sardines, and tuna, are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which promote heart health and reduce inflammation. Poultry, like chicken and turkey, is a lean source of protein, supporting muscle growth and repair. In the Mediterranean diet, red meat is consumed in moderation and often replaced with plant-based proteins like legumes, nuts, and seeds. These protein sources are not only excellent alternatives, but also provide an array of nutrients, including fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Additionally, they contribute to a feeling of fullness, making them a valuable component of a balanced meal. One of the most appealing aspects of the Mediterranean diet is its inclusion of dairy products, primarily in the form of yogurt and cheese. These calcium-rich foods support bone health and provide essential nutrients like protein and probiotics. However, it's important to choose low-fat or reduced-fat options to maintain a healthy balance. Finally, the Mediterranean lifestyle encourages enjoying meals with family and friends. It promotes mindful eating, savoring each bite, and taking time to appreciate the flavors and textures of the food. This practice not only enhances the dining experience, but also helps regulate portion sizes and promotes a healthier relationship with food. The Mediterranean diet offers a plethora of health benefits by focusing on fresh, whole foods, abundant fruits and vegetables, whole grains, healthy fats, lean proteins, and mindful eating practices. Incorporating these principles into your daily life can improve your overall well-being and longevity. Embark on this journey to a healthier you, where every meal is a celebration of vibrant flavors and nourishing ingredients. Embrace the Mediterranean diet and experience the joy of a delicious, nutritious, and fulfilling way of life. If you want to see more content like this, please make sure to subscribe to our channel.